Welcome to your Capri apartment. Over here is the living room that you are going to be relaxing in. We make sure that the furniture is comfortable, and we even have a large TV so that whether you're watching TV, the news, or you're one of those gamers, you can really enjoy a big screen. Probably the first questions that anyone asks us is, how do I get the Wi-Fi? Well, we make it simple. On the coffee table, you'll see a book from us with a welcome letter, and usually toward the back, you will find the instructions for your Wi-Fi. If you have any questions, of course, we're here to help you get hooked up with your Wi-Fi as soon as possible. Our dining rooms are set up for a convenient place to have a meal after you've been cooking in your wonderful kitchen. Some are these like 7-piece sets. Depending on the size of the apartment, you may have a 7-piece dining room set, or you may only have a 5-piece. Plenty of room for you to sit down, eat your meal, or many of our guests also turn this into their office. In most of our apartments, we like to be sure that you have washers and dryers in the apartments. If you do, we often give you just a 2-day supply or a 2-load supply of detergent and Snuggle, so you can go ahead and get started, because our goal is that you are ready to go to work by just going to the store and buying a few things. We're trying to think of everything to make your stay more comfortable. If there's no washer and dryer in your apartment, then you will be given instructions as to where you can find the on-site laundry facility. Every Capri kitchen is fully equipped so that you can immediately start your dinner when you arrive. You will find that we have cookware, dinnerware, plastics, drinkware, small appliances, a microwave, and of course, anything you might need to eat or to cook. We even provide some consumables for you so that if you already have your food, you don't have to worry about going out and buying the few things you would need to get started washing your dishes. Every Capri bathroom is also complete with consumables and towels ready for you to use. You don't need to bring any of these things with you when you come to stay at a Capri unit, because we think of everything that you could possibly need when you first move into your apartment. Finally, here's the place that you retire. Our beds are made with comfortable linens, as well as a second set of sheets, so that you don't have to race to get your linens washed. Most of our apartments have walk-in closets in which you will find a laundry basket so that you don't have to go out and buy that, as well as hangers to hang all your clothes on. Part of Capri hospitality is trying to think of those things you need when you first arrive before you even think you need them. If you like this video, then go ahead, click the little bell, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you are notified when we make more great content just like this. Ciao!